Well, here we are. It's another Sunday night, and I just spent 4 days, 4th of July vacation, working on Sanford, crossing stuff off the list. I'm a little bit behind yet, but I'll make Wyoming no problem. But yeah, there's just some of these frustrating times that you guys have seen the hiccups I ran into, unforeseen broken parts and different stuff. But you got to power through this stuff. You know, it's hard to keep going on some of this stuff when you keep hitting these things. It just seems like it's not meant to be, but it'll all come together. I'm pretty much still on schedule. I just got to put my front axle together. I'm just waiting on some snap rings, and about an hour that thing will be back together. So that's the last of my major stuff. So I got some rock lights, an air tank. I got to strap down my fuel tank, load my tools and everything. But I still got 2 weeks to go. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty confident. So it's been a struggle, and it's cost me a lot of time and some good fun over the weekend. But I don't know. After Wyoming, I'm definitely taking a break. I got to clean the shop. I got a lot of other stuff. I want some hot rod stuff to do. Yeah, I got to get caught up on some chores. This has set me back on life pretty much. So, like usual. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. We're going to be at the Wagon Hound ORV in Wyoming, so it's going to be a good time. This will definitely be worth it. There's some pretty extreme stuff. Check it out. Um, yeah, I'm pretty excited for it. So please like, subscribe, share, comment on anything you guys see. I know I'm not the best at anything. I try and share little pointers I've learned. I know there's plenty other ways to do the things, so take it for what it is. This is the way I do stuff, so I'm not saying I'm a pro at anything. I'm kind of a hack, actually. So, but yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys on the trail, and stay tuned for more.